Okay, here we are in 2011 snow blizzard, or the aftermath thereof. Let me see if I can back this off. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, this is the front of the house here. Get about a foot, as you see on the... Yeah, I won't say nothing. You could just take a look around. It's the top of a heater. And we'll walk down the drive here. There's a sidewalk. As you can see, we hit about... Drifts here were about 3.5 feet or so. As you see the driveway, I'm just starting to do that. With my little snowblower, I can't even get out of here. My neighbor's over there digging away. I can't even get over there. That's my neighbor's, he's buried, his house. And as you can see, I've got about 3.5 feet of snow here. So I'll be picking away at it. There's my other neighbor. Picking away. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely, and I wish Shirley was here to help. So we're going to dig the truck out and dig his house out. I think he's going to try and pull his way through. I don't think that's going to come through all this. That's about it. As you can see, the snow's pretty deep. And the truck's buried. So we'll be digging out. That's about it for now. Bye.